Number 20, you go shopping and buy some new shoes for $65. They're on sale for 25% off, and there's a tax of 8%. What is the total price? Well, first thing we're going to do is take 65 and times it by my discount price of 0.25% as a decimal. So 65 times 0.25 gives me $16.25. Now to find the discount, I subtract that. This gives me the sale price, $65 minus $16.25, and I get $48.75. Well, that's my new total that I'm finding the tax on. So I take $48.75, multiply it by my tax as a decimal, 0.08. And when I do that, it's going to tell me how much tax I have to pay. I have to pay $3.90. And tax is a markup, so I have to add that to $48.75 plus $3.90. Give me my grand total for my shoes is $52.65. 21. You go have lunch at In-N-Out and they have a discount for students on your minimum day. All students get 25% off their lunch bill. You order a double meal with fries and a drink. Cost $6.60 with 8% tax. What is the total cost with your discount and tax of your lunch? So again, start with discount. We have $6.60 times my percent of 25 as a decimal. So 6.60 in your calculator times 0.25 gives you how much discount you'll receive, and I'll receive $1.65 in discount. Now I subtract that to find out how much I actually pay. So $6.60 minus $1.65, I'm going to be paying $4.95, but then I have to add on tax. So 8% on $4.95, change my percent to a decimal, 0.08, and I get, when I round it, because I'm rounding to money, 40 cents. Now I have to add $4.95 plus 40, and when I add those together, I have $5.35. Alright, now we get to look at some simple interest. So simple interest, we use the formula, and it's written out for you. I equals PRT. That is a formula you will want to know. And in all these problems, I'm finding the interest. That means I, just like it says, equals principal. In this case, it's 1,400 times my percent as a decimal. So let's change that. Move it over twice. 0.038 times the time t, and that's in this case just 1. And I stuck all those numbers in my calculator. So 1,400 times 0.038 times 1. Let's try that one more time. So 1,400 times 0.038 times 1 equals $53.20. Same thing for 23. I have I already, and it equals principal, 628, times rate, that percent as a decimal, we move it over twice, 0.05 times time, which means in my calculator goes 628 times 0.05 times 2 to get a grand total of $62.80. And then my last one, I equals principal, 85, times my percent as a decimal, 0.045, times time, 3 years. So I have 85 times 0.045 times 3, And that equals, and yes, I'm going to round it to money, $11.48. Alright, last one is our bonus. Give us some room. Emma and Roger sell popcorn at the basketball games. The table shows how much they charge for popcorn, including the markup for supplies and the number of bags sold. Well, we want to know the total profit. So in order to know the total profit, I'm going to calculate for Emma her cost times her markup amount, 0.08. So when I do that in my calculator, I have 1.25 times 0.08, and I get 10 cents is her markup. Well, now we have to add that to the original cost, and she pays or charges $1.35 per bag. Now Emma sold 30 bags, so we're going to multiply it by 30, and we get $40.50, and that's how much she earned by selling 30 bags. Now her original was $1.25 per bag. We're going to multiply that by 30. This is how much it cost her, $37.50. So in order to find her profit, we're going to subtract the amount she made with the amount she had to pay. So $40.50 minus $37.50. And when we do that, it tells us how much profit Emma made, which is only $3. We're going to do the same for Roger. Roger had to pay $1.40 for popcorn, but he marked it up 5%. So let's start there. $1.40 marked up by 5% gives you 7 cents. And we're going to add that to his original cost of $1.40, which means he charged $1.47 per bag. Now he sold 26 bags, so let's multiply that by 26 to find out how much he actually made. And he made $38.22. Now Roger paid $1.40 for his 26 bags, which means he had to pay $36.40, and he made 38. So we now subtract these, 38.22 minus 36.40. I'm going to put that in my calculator. He only made $1.82. So the question, who made more profit? Well, Emma did, because her markup was more. It was higher. And she sold more bags of popcorn.